Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran out. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory.
Last year, the Brick Township High School Winter Guard won the U.S. Band's Novice Class Color Guard Championship for the first time in school history. This year, the Winter Guard is looking to build on that success, and you can be a part of it. Winter Guard is a competitive team comprised of 9th through 12th graders. What makes Winter Guard unique is that it's not just about spinning. It's a special combination of dance choreography, flag manipulation, weapon tosses, and music and visual design where we can either tell a story, invoke emotion, or inspire awe during our performance. This type of performance takes skill, technique, dedication, and determination. However, no prior experience is required. We will be having an open house on Wednesday, December 5th at 6 p.m. in the band room. There, more information will be provided, including the rehearsal schedule, the competition schedule, and the reveal of the 2019 show. We hope to see you there.